Okay, let's go.
Yo! What's up guys? Today is another exciting day, kaya samahan niyo ako dito sa Subic Bay. Teka, ano nga ba tong event sa Subic Bay na pupuntahan natin? Well, Philippine Hobie 16 National Championship lang naman. O diba? For some people, medyo bago sa pandinig natin to. But for sailors and enthusiasts sa water sports, this is one of the event that they look forward to every year. And today, we're lucky enough to be part of the team that will facilitate the event and will also do a voiceover for this program. It's a 2-day event na gaganapin sa Lighthouse Marina Resort dito sa Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Konting history muna about sa Subic Sailing. Subic Bay very much played a significant role in the development of sailing in the Philippines. In 1993, the first ever Philippine Easter Regatta was held in Subic Bay and became as one of the premier yacht sailing destination in the country ever since. On the first day, nagsimula muna ang lahat sa breakfast and then racers briefing. And then sabak na agad ang mga sailors papunta sa dagat. Kaya matapos ang intense na race, bumalik na muna kami sa hotel para kumain at magpahinga. On the second and final day, dito na magkakaalaman dahil rekta na ang mga sailors for its final race. We also had a chance to meet different people na part ng sailing community and also got to learn about the sport from their experience.
Oo nga pala, na-invite tayo to watch the final race sa gitna ng dagat.
Sana all.
Kaya kahit medyo takot tayo sa alon at mga shark, hindi na natin pinalagpas ang pambihirang pagkakataon na to. So, from shore, nag-grab muna kami papuntang dagat. Sakay ng speedboat, dinala kami papunta sa committee sailboat na si Selma Star.
Welcome to Selma Star. This is the boat of the Abyssilia family, the owners of the lighthouse. Yeah. So we use this for racing, and we also use this for charter and committee boat work like this. So ang function nito ngayon is committee, race committee. So start boat ito.
Sa malayo, mukhang mabagal lang ang mga hobby. Pero up close, intense at mabilis ito, lalo na pag malakas ang hangin. It was a great experience for me, lalo na medyo takot tayo sa dagat. But this experience is definitely an exception. After ng final race, bumalik na kami sa event venue to start the program. At syempre, maswerte tayo at nabigyan tayo ng opportunity to do a quick voiceover.
Good afternoon and welcome to the awarding ceremony of the Philippine Hobie 16 National Championship here at the Lighthouse Marina Resort. Please welcome your host, Managing Director of Subic Sailing and Director of Lighthouse Marina Resort Legacy Foundation, Cedric Abyssilia. Hello, good afternoon everyone.
To be able to witness something new and to realize that there is something more beyond the usual sport na nakasanayan natin, sobrang nakakatuwa. Every once in a while, we get to experience something different in our life. And to be a part of the team that organized this event makes the experience more special. Kaya salamat ulit sa mga taong patuloy na naniniwala sa atin at hindi nagsasawang bigyan tayo ng chance to prove ourselves. Kung umabot ka ulit dito sa dulo ng vlog ko, maraming salamat at isang malupit na high five ulit sa'yo. See you again on my next vlog. Peace!